A faith-based charity organization, Sisters of Jannah, has held its 2025 Cancer Awareness Program. The annual event featured a cancer awareness walk, free cervical and oral health screenings, as well as health talks aimed at promoting early detection and prevention amongst women. We have details in this report.
Cancer is a deadly disease in which abnormal cells divide uncontrollably, destroying body tissue. In Nigeria, the most common cancers among women are breast and cervical cancer, with statistics showing an age-standardized incidence rate of 113.6 per 1,000 people and a mortality rate of 74.6 per 100,000 people. The good news, however, is that early detection and vaccination, particularly against cervical cancer, can significantly reduce the risk. To educate its members and other women on prevention and early detection, Sisters of Jannah, Lagos Zone, organized this year's cancer awareness program titled Healing in Hope, Strength in Sisterhood. The session focused on identifying early signs of breast and cervical cancer, risk factors, symptoms, and preventive measures.
We are a women-based organization, so we are now carrying this awareness program, cancer awareness program, to our sisters for them to be duly informed about this disease, to know the symptoms, to know the signs, to know what to watch out for, and to also know that once they go for checkup and they are diagnosed early, they'll be able to save life. And in the long run, there is intervention provided for this disease, to curb the disease, and at the end of the day, everybody is saved from this deadly disease.
We have over 80 sisters, 80 women that we will be screening for today. We start with the pap smell. After the laboratory test had been confirmed and you do not have any cancerous organism in you, then you go on to get your vaccine. If you already have your first vaccine, we ensure that you do not stop there, but you finish up with the 3 vaccines.
Health practitioners also discussed other common health issues affecting women and ways to manage them.
When I press and feel pain, please shout out. Go to your medical health district and lay complaint. At least a mammogram will be done.
Then some people used to experience arthritis and rheumatism. All this as a result of the menopause. When you are there, you see these elderly people. You want to walk, you'll be feeling pains because those hormones that has depreciated it's also reduced the density of your bone.
Free medical checks were offered, including screening for breast and cervical cancer, blood sugar and blood pressure levels, oral health assessment, and aerobic fitness exercises.
Every organ of our body can be cancerous, but we found out that women are the higher risk of having cervical cancer because that is the female genital part that the women experience what we call cancer. Cancer is just an abnormal growth that happens, division of cells that happens abnormally. And when you don't detect it early, it can kill.
Anytime you feel uncomfortable, you see any sign, talk to people. Come out for the test. There is nothing to be ashamed of in it. Come out so that people can help you before it is too late. Any of the cancers at all, if you once you notice any signs and you mention it, the best thing is to go for the treatment before it is too late.
Participants later embarked on a cancer awareness walk from Lagos Television in Agidingbi to Allen Roundabout, distributing flyers, sharing information and encouraging women to prioritize their health.